You are going to absolutely love our chicken piccata sheet pan dinner. It is so delicious, healthy to boot. Wait until you try it. Okay, I'm gonna jump right into this recipe. I want you to imagine you've just come home from a rough day at work. Hang up your coat, drop your bag, go right to the kitchen, turn your oven on to 425 degrees. First thing we're gonna do is prep the chicken for the recipe. I'm using chicken breasts, boneless, skinless, chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. So it's a combination of light and dark meat. Onto a cutting board, we're gonna cut the chicken breasts and thighs into sizable chunks. I wanna make this so easy for you when you go to eat it too. No need for a knife. You're gonna be able to enjoy this meal with just a fork. Once you've chopped your chicken into chunks, stick it into a bowl. Now we're gonna take 2 lemons. I want you to zest the first lemon, hold the zest to the side, take a knife, cut it in half, and then juice that lemon. Stick the juice to the side, and now that second lemon, we're gonna trim off the ends, cut it down the middle, then into quarters, and now we're gonna thinly slice it. We're gonna be roasting the sliced lemon with the chicken. One thing you wanna do right now, make sure you take the seeds out of the juice and out of those little slices, and then we're ready to continue. Next up, we're gonna whisk up a really easy marinade for our chicken. Medium-sized bowl, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Add your seedless lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of a white balsamic vinegar. Do a sprinkle of kosher salt, a sprinkle of chili flakes, a little bit of black pepper. Whisk those ingredients together. Pour the marinade over the chicken, add those lemon slices, toss everything together, and then spill it out onto a baking sheet. You're now going to transfer the baking sheet to the oven. Our chicken is in motion and will bake for 20 minutes. While the chicken is baking, we're going to prep up a couple of vegetables to go with it. 2 cups of cherry tomatoes split in half. I also have about 2 cups of fresh green beans. Just trim off the end, discard, and then split the beans in half. Beans and tomatoes into a bowl, a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. After your chicken has roasted for 20 minutes, watch this. Bring it out onto your work surface. I know it looks a little anemic, but don't worry about it. We're now going to pour on the beans and tomatoes on top, and now some serious flavor enhancements. 1 tablespoon of capers, 6 sprigs of fresh thyme chopped, 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Remember the lemon zest, sprinkle that on top. You may be tempted to add a little bit of salt now, but please don't. We're gonna do that a little later. Instead, 2 spoons to toss everything together on the sheet pan, and now we're transferring it back to the oven. Change of plan. We're gonna turn the heat of the oven on to broil, and now you're gonna broil this for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's done when you see those blistered tomatoes and beans and that gorgeous golden color on top of your chicken. Bring your chicken piccata sheet pan dinner out of the oven, place it on your work surface, spoon it out onto plates, and you're ready to enjoy. Make sure you go back with the spoon and get a little bit of that sauce from the corner of the pan, and then just kind of like, mouth-watering, drizzle it over this gorgeous plate. A little bit of sea salt now to finish, and this dinner is ready to be enjoyed. I think you're gonna be able to serve 4 people with this. Chicken piccata sheet pan dinner is a winner, and you're gonna feel like a winner when you make it. Well, look at this. Chicken, tomato, lemon, even a little bit of caper on there. It is so delicious. Until next time, take care. We'll see you again. Go on.